Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is we're going to remove a directory if that directory exists. So first of all I'm going to create a variable called scalar variable called path. I'm going to assign it to my desktop path. So this is my own unique desktop path. Your desktop path on Windows will be different to mine. If you simply type this in, you'll get an error message. So you're going to have to find out what your own unique desktop path is. So this is my desktop path here. I'm going to use RMDIR, change directory, and we want to be changing into this path here. Right, okay, we're going to create now a subroutine called delete directory. Okay. Now we're going to create a scalar variable called RMDIR, short for delete directory. I'm going to assign it to prompt, which will get the user input, and then we're going to tell the user what input we want. So we want them to enter directory name here. Now we're going to use the conditional to evaluate this. So if scalar del dir delete directory dot io input output dot d directory. Whoops, made a mistake there. Scalar. Okay. We're going to print a message to the user telling them, say, removing directory. Please wait. We'll give it a little pause, sleep for 1 second. 1 second pause there, and then we're going to use the RMDIR command, which is remove directory. So the directory we're wanting to remove is this one here that we entered. So that's the directory we want to remove, and then we're going to keep the user informed by printing them a message that the directory removed. Okay, directory removed there. Or else, if that's not the case, we use the catch-all here, else. And we're going to tell the user something else. Okay, say directory. Whoops. Directory doesn't exist. Okay, so that's just about it. Apart from that, all we have to do is call the program, and we do that by calling it by its name. Delete directory. I'm just going to give it the once over and have a look at this. Make sure I've not made any mistakes. There's nothing I can see there, but we will find out at runtime. Save it and run the program from the terminal. Raku test.raku. Let's hit that. Okay, I've got a directory on my desktop here. I'll just show you it. This is the directory here. This is called X, and this is the one that I want to remove. So enter the directory name. So let's enter F first. Let's see what happens if I just enter F like that. Directory doesn't exist, exactly, because I don't have a directory called FFF on there. So that's Raku test.raku. Let's run the program again. Let's enter X, hit enter. Removing directory, directory removed. Let's have a look, see if it's gone. And yeah, There we go, it's gone. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. Hope you enjoyed that, and remember, if you're not already subscribed, what are you waiting for? There's a subscribe button below. Make sure you hit it, turn on that bell notification, give it a big thumbs up, and I will catch you in another video. Bye bye.